Hello. Are you tired from copy-pasting code from VS Code to ChatGPT? Well, so are we. So we have created a pair of extensions, one for VS Code and one for Google Chrome, that allows us to select some text in VS Code, then you can right-click, and then you can either append and send, or you can just append to your message in ChatGPT. And you can see right here, all you need to do is you need to have the extension installed, and it will automatically open the ChatGPT website, and it will append the code here, and then you can further say like, hey, what does this code do? And then you can send the message yourself, or you can say like, actually, I want to add this information, and then I will send it. So you can do this, and notice there's also commands, shortcuts, so you can just use that. So let me just use that. Let's say it's option command K, and you can see it was appended below our original message, and then it was sent, so ChatGPT is replying immediately. That's the end of the presentation. Please give it a shot and let us know what you think.